I want to go to the beach today.
That sounds like a great idea.
I will prepare some cookies and tea.
The kids will love that.
Yes, they enjoy snacks at the beach.
What time should we leave?
We can go after you come home from the office.
Okay, I will come early today.
I will pack everything before you arrive.
Do we need anything else?
Maybe you can buy juice and chips.
Sure, I will get them on the way.
The weather looks nice today.
Yes, it is perfect for the beach.
The kids are already excited.
I can't wait to relax there.
Me too, it will be fun.
Let's not forget the mats.
Yes, I will pack them.
Great, everything sounds ready.
It will be a lovely evening.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
I just finished baking the cookies.
They smell delicious.
I also made some tea.
That's perfect for the beach.
I will pack everything now.
Do you need help?
No, it's okay.
The kids are getting ready too.
Tell them to bring their toys.
They are very excited.
I packed some extra napkins.
Good thinking.
Did you bring the beach mat?
Yes, it's in the car.
Great, we're almost ready.
Let's leave soon.
Just a minute, I'm closing the kitchen.
All right, I'll wait outside.
Everything is ready now.
Let's go to the beach.
The kids are already in the car.
This is going to be fun. The road looks a bit busy today.
Yes, many people are going out.
I will stop to buy some juice.
And don't forget the chips.
Sure, I will get it for you.
I want apple juice.
Okay, we will get that.
All right, I will be back in a few minutes.
We will wait here in the car.
I am looking outside and everything looks so busy. I can see many cars going toward the beach.
I am back, and I got everything we needed.
That was quick. Thank you for that.
Can we eat something now, please?
No, we will enjoy everything at the beach together.
Look, I can see the sea from here.
Yes, we are getting very close now.
Wow, it looks so big and beautiful.
The view is really lovely from here.
I love the beach so much.
Just a few more minutes and we will reach.
Please drive faster, Dad.
Don't worry, we will be there very soon.
Oh, there are so many people here today.
Yes, it might take some time to find a place to sit.
I want to run and play near the water.
Just wait for a moment until we find a safe place.
I can see a small empty spot over there.
Let's walk there quickly before someone else takes it.
The space is small, but it is good enough for us.
I will spread the mat so we can sit comfortably.
Can we go and play now, please?
Yes, but make sure you stay close to us.
Let's build a beautiful sand castle together. I will help you and make it really big.
The sea looks calm and very peaceful today.
The cool breeze is making everything feel so relaxing.
Look at my sand castle. It looks so pretty. Yes, it looks amazing and very creative.
You both are doing a wonderful job. Now let's sit together and enjoy the cookies and tea.
I have been waiting for this moment for a long time. I also want to taste the cookies you made.
Be careful while holding the tea, because it is still a little hot.
The cookies taste really delicious and fresh.
Yes, they are very tasty and crunchy. I love these cookies so much.
You can also drink your juice now.
The chips taste very good with the juice.
Eat slowly so you don't make a mess.
Okay, Dad. Can I have one more cookie, please?
Yes, but don't eat too many at once.
Thank you, Mom, for making these.
The kids look very happy and satisfied.
That makes me feel happy as well.
Can we stay here for a little longer?
Yes, we will stay for some more time.
Yay! I'm so happy to hear that.
Let's enjoy this time together. It is getting late now.
Yes, I think it is time for us to leave the beach.
I don't want to leave because I am having so much fun. Me neither. I want to stay a little longer.
We can come again another day, so don't worry.
Let's start packing our things slowly.
I will help you collect the toys. I will also help with the small items.
That's very helpful of both of you.
I have folded the mat and kept it aside.
I have packed the remaining food and bottles.
I feel a little tired after playing so much. I am also feeling sleepy now.
Let's walk back to the car together.
Hold my hand so you don't get lost.
Okay, I will stay close to you. I am walking slowly because I am tired.
Sit comfortably once we reach the car.
Is everyone ready to leave now?
Yes, I am ready. Let's go home now.
We are heading back home. Let's stop at this restaurant and order some takeaway food for dinner.
Yes, I feel very tired now. And don't want to cook at home.
I am very hungry after playing at the beach. Me too. I want to eat something quickly.
Welcome. Please tell me how I can help you today.
We would like to order some food for takeaway.
Sure. What would you like to order?
We would like rice and chicken for dinner.
Please also add a portion of fries for the kids.
I really love fries. Thank you, Dad. Can we also get some juice with the meal?
Yes, we have fresh juice available.
That sounds good. Please add 2 juices.
All right, your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you, we will wait here.
I am so hungry that I can't wait anymore. The smell of food is making me more hungry.
Just be patient. The food will be ready soon.
Your order is ready. And here is your takeaway bag.
Thank you very much for the quick service.
Let's go home and eat comfortably.
Yay! Let's go home quickly.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.